Not everyone has the money to buy land and build properties in the Sandbox metaverse, but anyone can buy the Sand token, which is currently trading at $1.25. Welcome to Flores Online Explains, the Sandbox Educate platform. Subscribe to my channel for information, explanations, and tips. Don't forget to press the like button and the notification bell. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the Sand token and various price predictions until the year 2025. Should you buy the Sand token now? Is the Sand token a good investment? Stick around till the end of the video to find out all these and more. The Sandbox is a blockchain-based virtual environment that allows all users to create, build, purchase, and trade assets in the manner of a game using the Sand token. It was created in 2011 by Pixowl by combining the powers of non-fungible tokens and decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAO. The token is known for building decentralized platform for a vibrant gaming community, according to information found on the internet. According to the official white paper, the token's main goal is to successfully incorporate blockchain technology into popular gaming. The platform is primarily focused on a creative play-to-earn concept, which allows all creators and players to participate. According to sources, Arthur Madrid is a co-founder and CEO at Pixowl, and he's the sole reason for the token's success. He earned an economics degree from Université Paris Dauphine in 2000. Since its introduction to the market, the token has sparked widespread interest, with many investors putting large sums of money in the Sandbox. The Sandbox token's outlook started to look much more positive at the start of February 2021 after Sandbox's partnership with cryptocurrency price tracking website CoinMarketCap, allowing the Sandbox to release an NFT collection on the metaverse. The token's price remained sideways in the months that followed, eventually reaching $3.22 on 3rd November 2021, after the metaverse announced on 2nd November that it had received $93 million from SoftBank Vision Fund 2 investors, which would help the platform scale up its growth strategy, operations, and player acquisition. Sandbox already has over 165 partners at the time, including famous US rapper Snoop Dogg and popular TV shows like The Walking Dead and The Smurfs. The project also included collaborations with Liberty City Ventures, Galaxy Interactive, and Adidas Originals. On 25th November 2021, the token had reached an all-time high of $8.4. That is a 16,387% increase since its launch on 15th August 2020 at $0.051. Sandbox revealed on December 1st, 2021 that players could purchase plots close to the one where Snoop Dogg was constructing his mansion in what we call the Snoopverse. As a result, the Sand token increased by only 2.5% from $6.58 on December 1st to $6.71 in the next day. Following a decrease in Bitcoin and Ethereum prices at the beginning of December, Sand plummeted by 29% to $4.78 by the middle of the month, despite having secured partnerships with 10 exchanges and a Mauer NFT collection commemorating the Berlin Wall. The metaverse's partner, Canadian electronic music musician deadmau5, announced the launch of his NFT collection on the Sandbox marketplace on 21st December 2021, pushing the Sand token's price up to $6.73 on 26 December, a 41% rise from its 14 December low. On December 1st, Bank of America strategist Haim Israel stated that the metaverse will make cryptocurrencies even more popular than they already are, raising price targets for various metaverse-based crypto tokens such as Sand. On January 18, 2022, investment company JP Morgan Chase agreed with BOA's strong forecast by releasing a document claiming that the metaverse business might generate more than $1 trillion in annual revenue. Sandbox was identified in the firm's research as one of the major metaverse platforms. However, the token's value line on the chart began to fall once more towards the start of 2022, amid a widespread drop in the crypto market due to the likelihood of tightening monetary policy and geopolitical concerns. And at the time of this video, the Sand token is trading at $1.25 and has a market capitalization of $1.5 billion, ranking it 40th on the list of the most valuable coins. More recently, partnerships like Gucci and Ubisoft were unable to counterbalance the market's overall bearish forecast, with the token reaching $3.11 on 22nd February, a 35.4% drop since 8th February. In addition, the platform has teamed with Warner Music Group to establish a music-themed world in the metaverse, with the company planning to launch its first virtual performances in the third quarter of 2022. A mobile version of the metaverse is expected in the fourth quarter of 2022. It is reasonable to imply that these upcoming events and projects will lead to an increase in the Sand token, especially because of what's happening in January when Snoop Dogg announced that he would be launching a series of Snoop Dogg metaverse avatars on the platform. The news increased the price of the token by 61.28%, from $2.99 on 22nd January to $4.81 on 8th February 2022. What does the future hold for Sand? At the time of this video, the algorithm-based forecasting website Wallet Investor predicted a bullish Sand price, calling it an excellent long-term investment. Based on its analysis of the cryptocurrency's past performance, the forecasting service predicted that the Sand crypto price will be $5.1 by May 2023 and $17.5 in 5 years. The positive Sandbox crypto price prediction was supported by digital coin price, but at a considerably slower rate, with the currency reaching $1.72 by the end of 2022 and $2.54 by 2025. According to the site's Sand projection, the token's price might reach $6.53 in 2027 and $6.1 by 2030. Here is my own analysis of 2022. Sandbox will be considered a better option, and the Sandbox price will reach new heights due to the large community. Price changes are difficult to forecast, especially when the market is more bullish or bearish than usual. The Sandbox will cost approximately $3.72 in 2022. The best price we can get is $4.61. The Sandbox average price is expected to be around $3.84 by the end of 2022. Within the range specified by the crypto market, a massive price turnover is expected. 2023. The Sandbox's value will rise as a result of the efforts of network developers and community investors. As a result, the projected price for 2023 is optimistic. Analysts predicted that Sand would reach a maximum price of $6.36 by the end of 2023. On the other hand, it's quite likely that the Sandbox's future will improve. As a result, the anticipated average price of Sand in 2023 will be between $5.22 and $5.42, depending on the market. 2024. Prices for the Sandbox or Sand appear to have reached a level comparable to their former all-time high of 2024. We can anticipate an average price of $7.64 by 2024. If everything goes as planned, we estimate that the Sandbox might cost up to $9.18 in 2024. Of course, the market may crash after a long bull run, which is usually in the cryptocurrency market. And 2025. There are indications that the cryptocurrency market is set to enter a new era. Certain that the long-term price estimate for Sand will climb since there's still hope that the currency will gain a lot more attention. In 2025, the average price will be $11 with a minimum price of $10.62. The highest possible price is projected to be around $12.85. Perhaps the year 2021 is the best time to invest in this token because it is at its lowest price and has the potential to rise higher than previous ones. Would you be buying the Sand token now? Let me know down in the comments section. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope that you've learned a thing or two. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. I really hope to see you again. Continue learning about crypto, NFT, and the stock market right here on Flores Online Explains.